What's up YouTube, this is Ben's doing a depth profile over my windups. I'll be using them this weekend, let me know what you think. 3 Magician, 3 Shark, 3 Rat, 3 Rabbit, 2 Tour Guide, I finally got the secrets, Sangan, Maxi, and Double Effect Railer, Dark Hole, Monster Reborn, Heavy Storm, Mind Control, Double MST, Double Factory, and Pata Everest, Traps, Double Trinal, Double Bottomless, Double Deep Res, Double Warning. I take in Double Chain because it stops a lot of plays. Starlight Road, Mirror Force, and Compulse. Extra Deck, Zen Matey, Double Zen Mains, Tempo, Leviator, Leviathan, Abyss Dweller. This really hurts Mermails, that's probably your toughest matchup. Maestroke, Butterfly, Shockmaster, Desigma. I'm not really sure if I like this or not, but well, I guess we'll run it and see. Tyrus, Andreas, Maho, and the Stardust for the Starlight Road. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and peace.